orange in us. Hey, hey. Oh. A is for apple, juicy and red. Crunch, crunch, crunch. B is for banana by your bed. Peel, peel, peel. Peel, peel. C is for carrot, long and bright. Crunch, munch, crunch. D is for rumstick, green delight. Snap, snap, snap. A, B, C, D. Healthy foods for you and me. Fresh and fun. 1, 2, 3. Let's learn our ABCs. E is for eggplant, purple and round. Chop, 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 chop. F is for fig, sweet and sound. Yum, yum. G is for grapes, purple and green. Pop, 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 pop. H is for honeydew, smooth and clean. Slurp, 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 slurp. E, F, G, H. Fruits and veggies taste so great. Colorful, fresh and full of glee. Fun with ABC. I is for ice, apple, cool and sweet. Sip, 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 sip. J is for jackfruit, big to eat. Crunch, 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 crunch. K is for kiwi, fuzzy skin. Scoop, 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 scoop. L is for lemon, sour within. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. I, J, K, L. We know them all so well. Sing and clap so cheerfully. Fruits and veggies, ABC. M is for mango, soft and gold. Yum, 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 yum. N is for nuts, strong and bold. Crack, 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 crack. O is for orange, round and bright. Peel, 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 peel. P is for potato, brown and light. Mash, 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 mash. M, N, O, P. Tasty foods for you and me. Eat them daily, you will see. Healthy ABC. Q is for queen fruit, purple and fine. Pop, 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 pop. R is for radish, red and line. Crunch, 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 crunch. S is for strawberry, juicy and red. T is for tomato, round like your head. Squish, 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 squish. Q, R, S, T. Eat them happily. Fresh and tasty as can be. Yummy A to Z. U is for ugly fruit, bumpy and sweet. Peel, 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 peel. V is for vegetable, mix a healthy treat. Chop, 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 chop. W is for watermelon, pink inside. Slurp, 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 slurp. X is for Sigua, a summer ride. Munch, munch, munch. Hunt. U, V, W, X. Who's coming next? Let's eat your fruit so merrily. Fun and healthy, ABC. Y is for yam, soft to fry. Mash, 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 mash. Z is for zucchini, give it a try. Chop, 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 chop. Y and Z, hooray, hooray. We learned our fruits today. Eat them fresh, bright and